In this video I want to show you how to react with more emoji on Instagram direct message. First you need to open the Instagram app on your phone. Then go to the direct. Just click on the top right corner button. Here go to the some chats with some people. Here we have some messages and just hold on this message, and here we have our emojis. We can react with this. Just click on the some emojis and click on the reaction. And this all we can react with some emoji with this method. This is a simple method. This all for today. Goodbye.